YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be bringing y'all my recent sneaker pickups. It's been a minute. I have not been active on YouTube, so the shoes kind of added up a little bit. I got a whole entire tower with me. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. And let's get into the first shoe. Okay, so I gotta be careful not to make all these shoes fall. So for the first shoe, we have an all black Jordan 4, which I'm pretty sure all you guys know based off the box. It is the Jordan 4 Black Cat. If you follow my Instagram and TikTok, you know, I've been wearing these shoes like every day. Like, I'm gonna go get them real fast. So here they are right here, the Jordan 4 Black Cats. I be wearing these shoes every day. Like, I'm not even gonna cap. I be wearing these like every day. It's like all black shoe. You cannot go wrong with it. It goes like every single outfit. So, you know, I paid I think I paid $6.50 for these. I got these used, but when I first got these in, they looked like perfect condition. They didn't even look used. They were worn like maybe once. They didn't have, and it also came with the OG box too. So that's a steal. And these go for about $900 brand new. And if you know, after taxes or shipping fees, or even if you buy in the store, it's gonna be like $1,000 something. So I say myself $350, I think. But yeah, Jordan 4 Black Cats, nothing major. This is an all black shoe that goes with all my fits. So without further ado, let's get into the next shoe. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, I went to Nike Outlet this weekend and I'm there with 2 pairs of these Converse. These are not regular Converse. I'll show you in a second. These are the Rick Owens Converse. I got these for $80, so it's not too bad. I do have these for sale on my selling page. It's a Grout Walker. Go follow that. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, this is the Rick Owens Converse. I like how it has a little I don't know what you call it, but a little chunky part at the toe box. And these are like a leathery wax feel. Shiny. They're shiny. And then here it has Converse, and then this one says Dark Shadow. So yeah. Oh, also with these, it has a little long tongue. But yeah, if you like these, I feel like you can sell them right. But me personally, I don't really like these. I'm gonna stick with the regular Rick Owens. It's not really my style. So without further ado, let's get on to the third shoe. So for the next shoe, we have another Yeezy foam runner. If you know, man, I just been blowing through foam runners because as y'all know, I do resell shoes. Why is it recording? Okay, I do resell shoes, and foam runners sell like really fast for me. So I just been buying a lot of foam runners lately. These are a size 13, and this colorway is called Sand. I want some foam runners. I want the I think it's called the Onyx colorway, but like the all black foam runners. I really like those. Some slight storm school. Just throw those on, go to school. All black. Can't go wrong with it. All black's the perfect attire, whatever. But yeah, Yeezy foam runner. Let's go on to the next shoe. Oh, for the next shoe, we have some Travis Scott Air Trainer ones. And as you can tell by the box, there are some Travis Scott's. Cactus Corporation, and all brown box, Nike, and yeah. All right, let's open it. Oh, okay. So I got these from StockX. We paid. Let's see. We paid $172. I don't know why we saying we, but I paid $172 for these. I have the other Air Trainers somewhere. I don't know. I just like the Air Trainer model. Cool model. Very slept on in my opinion. So we got these Krabby Patty Air Trainer ones. So they are right here. Hold on. Okay, sorry for the noise, but here it is right here. Let me get the other pair. It has this little brown cover on it, and then at the back it says Cactus Corporation, and a little StockX tag, little extra laces right there. And also on this shoe, it has a little zipper. It doesn't work though. I tried to It might, I don't know, but I'm just having a hard time opening it or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the cover so I can see what it looks like underneath. So, put it to the side. There's a little backward swoosh that Travis Scott is most famous for with his Jordans and Nikes. There's the little Velcro. Cool shoe in my opinion, very slept on. $172, and you can't even complain for a Travis Scott shoe. That's a good price, so I'm not even complaining. But yeah, this is the all brown shoe. I do like the materials on here. Materials nice, quality's pretty good. Yeah, this is the all brown shoe. I do recommend these if you're like looking, if you want a Travis Scott shoe without paying that crazy Travis Scott Jordan 1 price. What is that, like 2,000 something? Yeah, this is a good alternative, sorry. But yeah, some slight Travis Scott Air Trainer 1s. Let's go on to the next shoe. So the next shoe, we have us a Jordan 1, and this is, you can't tell by the box already, this is the Jordan 1 Heritage, red Nike, white box. Go ahead and open this up. So here they're right here, not major, just a white and red shoe. I don't like these in my opinion, but if you like these, hit me up in my go follow my selling page, Girl Walker. It'll be in the description. So here they are right here, Jordan 1 Heritage, come with the white and red laces, dead stock. And yeah, this is the, oh, I be seeing people, they be like customizing it. They be like Asian the midsole right here, and then like painting like this black or whatever. It looks so much better. If Jordan brand would have just did that, this should have been 10 times better. But you know, Jordan brand has been releasing a lot of mid stuff lately, so I'm not surprised. But yeah, Jordan 1 Heritage. Okay, so for the next shoe, we have us a Yeezy 700. And let's go ahead and open this up. Pull that down if I can get it to open. Oh yeah, y'all see that Kanye trying to leave Gap because they be like copying or knocking off his shoes and clothes and stuff. And Gap, you know you dead wrong for that. Kanye, you would go. So right here we have the I don't even know the name of these. Hold on. We just had the let's just say we have the blue Wave Runners. So this is an all blue. Got the little orange right there. Black. I like the oh, I forgot the word. I don't know. I forgot the word where it's like color combination, something like that. I forgot the word. But yeah, all blue shoe. I like these. They're really loud. I think I have the red pair, the high res. I know the name of those. They're somewhere. I don't know where they went, but they're somewhere. But yeah, I have the blue ones and the red ones. And I had the OG Wave Runners over there. But yeah, this is a cool Yeezy. Come with some extra laces. And I think resale on these are not too bad. So if you want these, hey, go pick them up. Great shoe for the winter time. But let's get on to the next shoe. So for the next shoe, we have us another Jordan 1 box. I do not remember what's in this box, but let's go ahead. Oh, I remember, it's the biohacks. Boom, right there. We got the Jordan 1 biohacks. In my opinion, I don't like these again, but hey, I'm gonna keep promoting myself. Go in the description and follow my selling page, Girl Walker, if you want these. But Jordan 1 biohacks. Cool shoe. I never really liked this shoe when it released, but you know, I've seen some people make some okay fits with it. Not nothing good, but some okay fits with it. I was like, what is this? This color, oh, it's called color blocking. That's the word. That's what I meant to say with them Yeezys. Good color blocking. But the color blocking on these is trash. Like, what's up with all these blue colors and greens and browns and blacks and silvers? Yeah, this is trash. Let's go ahead and go to the next shoe. I don't want to talk about this no more. So, for the next shoe, we have some Jordan 3s. Oh, so this is the elephant, Jumpman, and I guess that's Michael Jordan holding the ball. Can y'all see that? Hope y'all can see that. Got the little elephant print all around. That explains the elephant right there. So let's go ahead, open it up. So here they are right here. We have the man, I ain't gonna cap. I don't even remember the name of these, but we have these right here. We got these Jordan 3s. I don't remember the name, but yeah, there's some cool Jordan 3s. I like the color blocking on these shoes right here. Pretty cool. Got the little browns, blacks. Got the little off-whites color. Or cream, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is cool Jordan 3. There they are right here. In the insole it has the elephant, the Jumpman, and then I guess Michael Jordan, whoever that man is, holding the ball. But yeah, this is a cool Jordan 3. So let's get on to the next shoe. Go ahead, boom, throw them up there. So we have us another one, Jordan 1. I don't know what these are. Oh, I remember what these are. So based off of this, I remember what they are. So we had a little gold, little ropes, whatever, and then the red wrapping paper. Let's go ahead, open it up. Enough jibble jabber. So these right here, I remember my mom, she got exclusive access, and then she got these right here. Yeah, these are dog water. I'm not even gonna say the S word, but yeah, these are dog water. Well, I mean, I guess, man, hold on. They look like the university ones. Yeah, these are dog water. But yeah, denim Jordan 1s. These are cool. I don't know. They might grow on me over time. We'll see. What size are these? These my size? Damn. Wait. Oh, 10 and a half. Yeah, I could probably wear these. Yeah, these are. Oh, they got this little gold thing right there. This is a denim Jordan. Hey, I might rock these. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, y'all see me rocking these? Hey, just know they grew on me. These are kind of hard. I ain't gonna cap. These will go. I may make. Hold on. I'm gonna store these to the side. Hey, styling video coming soon. I kind of like these. I shouldn't be hating. Yeah, I'm gonna stop hating on every shoe. Yeah, I'm gonna store those to the side. We're gonna make a styling video coming soon on my TikTok. All of that. Kelly the Kid. So we have, for these, hold on. So I have two Jordan 3 Fire Reds. This one is a size, this one's a size 10 and a half. And then this one is a size 11. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So they came with a sticker, as you can see, because it's about the box. Came with a sticker. And I went to the mall this weekend, and I did see these sitting in the sneaker stores, like Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Shoe Palace. So don't go on StockX, don't go on Go. Just walk yourself to the mall or drive Uber, whatever you gotta do. Just go to the mall and pick these up for retail. Get your retail dubs. So, oh yeah, that's another thing I'm noticing. All these Jordan 3, all these Jordan models and stuff, like they just like starting to sit. Like I guess the hype in sneakers is like not at its peak anymore. Well, I guess I'll take that back. I feel like the only thing trending right now is Jordan 4s. I wonder what's the next trending shoe gonna be. But we have Jordan 3 Fire Red. I do like the little hang tag. Man, this is the first time in a long time. Jordan brand has been slacking with the quality lately. That has been throwing them. They just been throwing them shoes as any kind of way. They be damaging the box. Shoes becoming mismatched sizes and stuff. All that. But we had these Jordan 3 Fire Reds. I know I was on a ramble, but Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Hang tag, surprisingly. Yeah, I got two pairs of those for some reason. You know the deal. Grail Locker, link in description. And for the next shoe, we have an Air Max box, which is down there. Hold on. Let me put these back real fast. Okay, so we have an Air Max box. These are Air Max 90s. I got these off the Nike website. little God noise or whatever. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so these are like some camouflage Air Maxes or whatever. Got the little desert military print on there. With I think these insole or the soles of the shoes. I think these like glow in the dark, whatever. And then we got the white midsoles. Yeah, this is cool. Ooh, this is a cool Air Max, you know. I like these. But would I wear these? Probably not. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. I don't even know how many pairs of shoes that was. To be honest, that was like over 10 shoes. I don't even know. But make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. And I'm thinking for the next video, I might do like a giving y'all the sauce of where I get my clothes from. I don't know. I might gatekeep though. I ain't gonna cap because I like gatekeeping now. I'm tired of you jacking my swag. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.